Are you actually gonna put the music like I believe I can fly? I believe I can fly in the sky. Hi guys. So we're gonna go to the forest preserve. Yeah. This is gonna be a really awesome video, you guys. Yeah.
Make sure you subscribe, right?
Yeah, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah. And give us a huge thumbs up. Yeah, see you at the forest preserve.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys. So today is Kayla and Jacob. And we're gonna be walking in the forest preserve. Picnic. We saw a horsey going that way.
Really?
We saw a horsey. Actually, we saw a lot of horsies.
Cool.
Guys. I have shark fins. Mom. Oh, look at that.
Relax.
Yes. Yay, but it's so fast. Oh, just kidding. Guys, look at that tree. It fell down. You want to go look at it?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
It's like it's bending. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at it. It's so scary. So big, guys.
So big, it's almost ready to fall over.
Yeah. I hope it doesn't fall on you guys.
That'd be bad.
Yeah.
You don't want it to fall on your pants. Ready, go.
Now, have we get to that wood Hallelujah!
Hallelujah!
Look,
Let's go to
guys.
the sidewalk. Made it?
Okay, guys. Guys, if you want, they're at the dollar store. So go to the dollar store and buy one of these if you like these. Oh my goodness, me guys. Guys, my socks are getting so wet.
Guys, you think we can find like a monster or something around here?
No.
No? Keep looking.
Comment in the comments.
There might be one.
Oh, and guys, you get a free Kayla card sent to your house if you subscribe.
And a free Jacob card.
Yeah.
So hit that subscribe button, like button, all that good stuff, right?
Even maybe a daddy card.
Yeah, you might get a daddy card too.
Yeah, you might get a daddy card, even a mommy card too.
Oh wow, that'd be cool, huh? Straight to your mail.
Yeah, straight to email.
The sign right in front of you.
Look at that fire one.
That's where, yeah,
What's that?
it's like a fire pit.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Oh my goodness. No, I want to go in there.
Growing, not mowing. Increase habitat, improve air quality, promote native plants. What's this guy doing?
I don't know.
Where's Jacob?
Where's Jacob, guys?
Jake, you in there?
I remember coming.
Oh, there he is.
Guys, I almost fell, guys. Guys, look at there's some snow.
Is it cold?
Yeah, guys, I can hold this.
Let's see how long you can hold it
I can hold this for 20 hours.
without dropping it and see who wins. Still got it?
I still got
Still got
it.
yours? Oh, that's it?
I won, guys! Yeah!
2 hands.
It's so cold, guys. So cold. Please, I can fly. I believe I can fly. Are you actually gonna put the music like I believe
Yeah, I
I
think I
can
will.
fly? I'm gonna do that one more time. In the sky, in the sky. I believe I can fly. In the sky. I believe I can fly. In the sky.
See anything in there?
No.
Frogs or anything?
I believe I can fly.
I believe I can fly.
In the sky. I believe I can fly. Guys, that's funny, right, guys?
4 to 6 days later.
I believe I can fly.
Yeah, hit the like
In
button.
the sky. Yeah, hit the like button. Enough. Funny. I believe I can fly. In the sky. Hit the like button. Beep. Hi, guys. So my dad brought a pie, so we're gonna eat it.
There's only one. Here, you get one.
Where do you put the garbage?
Yeah, I'll put it in my pocket.
Guys, this is good.
Good, dude?
Mm.
Super good?
You got raisins too.
Yeah, I got raisins and peanuts. Just
Cool.
in case we get lost out here. Don't.
We won't get lost, guys.
You don't think we'll get lost? No. What if we're stuck out here?
Daddy, we won't get lost.
Okay.
I got the snow. Wow. That's huge.
Muddy?
Too muddy. I know.
Too much?
I can't. I don't want to step on a creature. I saw there was flies.
There's flies? Can't go over there?
No.
Let's go up on this hill. You're up on top of the mountain, man.
Can we get down?
Can we go back down?
Yeah, because what if the animal eats my raisins? Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, that'd be bad. Let's go.
They can smell them. Yeah, they can smell the raisins. Guys, our dad is so slow.
Whatever. Ooh, a snake hole?
Oh!
What do you see? A snake?
I just saw something. He just ran. He just ran.
So slow.
I think we should turn now.
Should we turn back?
Yeah, let's turn back, guys.
Yeah, you want to go back?
Yeah. No!
You want to keep going?
Yeah.
What?
Where we gotta go?
Yeah, we gotta go way back there. We should probably head back.
Yeah. Guys, that floor is lava!
Step on the snow. Alright, the snow is lava. That's weird. That'd be weird, right? If snow is lava. It'd be cold but hot at the same
Floor
time.
is lava! Snow is not lava!
Oh, it's lava.
Snow is lava!
You made it.
Remember that pond? Remember that pond, guys?
We're on our way back, right? We're gonna head back now. We did our exploring for the day.
Yeah, that's it for exploring. Oh! Oh no! Dun dun dun!
Oh no.
Mommy's gonna be so mad. She loves those shoes. Oh. I thought you were gonna say, I dropped a whole bag of raisins!
I thought you dropped the raisins too.
Yeah, me too. I thought you dropped the raisins too. Almost.
Guys, we had a great trip,
Yeah, I did.
right? We walked through the forest preserve today.
Yep.
Did you have fun, Jakey?
Yeah.
Now we're heading back to the car, and we're gonna go home, meet up with Mommy, and then maybe go get something to eat, some food.
Yeah, Mr. Beast Burgers.
Mr. Beast Burgers.
Look at the weird
Oh,
sign!
the weird sign again. Back the super boring sign that I thought was better than it was. What are you gonna do? Hold it forever.
No! Like, never let go of it. I'm never.
Never let go of that snow. Keep it forever.
But what if I believe I can fly? But what if it melts?
If it melts, that's fine, right?
Well,
We need to get some more. There's snow all over the place.
Guys, if you have a lot of snow, comment down below.
Yeah, if you got a lot of snow like we do, ours is all starting to melt now, but
Yeah.
if you had a bunch of snow,
You should make a smiley face in the snow.
oh yeah, that's cool.
Like that, guys.
Just like that.
You should do that, guys. I'm going to take care of this little guy. He used to be poorly mountain. Now I'm going to take care of him and give him food. And I'm going to give him real food
Are
this
you gonna
time.
give him water? Does the water need water?
Yeah.
That's weird, right?
Yeah. Hey,
Do
guys.
you think water needs water?
Oh! He just let go of him. Help him, please.
Okay. Are they cold?
Uh,
Ooh, they're all slimy.
Hey guys, you can fill up some water. You got bigger, guys. You can fill up some water in a cup, and you can put your toy in it and put it in your freezer for a long time, and then it'll turn into ice. And then you have to dry it a little bit, and then you have to drop it in your sink, and then the ice would come out of the
The cup?
yeah.
Yeah. Put some hot water on it. Make it melt.
Yeah.
It's all-
Get back, I'm gonna check on it. Bye! Thanks for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. Turn notifications. See you guys later. Bye!